Alright everyone, welcome. Okay, let's go. No one's around me. So, welcome everyone. Gonna try and review this Instamic. It's the first time I use it. First of all, I want to say thank you to What's Up Bob. He was the first biker that I know of who actually reviewed the Instamic and used it with his Insta 360. It took me a while to get it and to set it up, so I thought, why not? Let me just try it today. First of all, let's try and get out of the neighborhood. It is the weekend, so everyone will be out as well, but I'm gonna take the back road to the desert. Once there, good, let's go. So yeah, what's up Bob? He's the first guy who did it, and actually he did such a great video explaining how to set it up. The only thing is, now with the current update of the software, I noticed the only thing I can change is the dB on the mic through the app. That's how you control it. You use the app. So I'm gonna take a screenshot now and show you what dB setting I'm using. So it's quite straightforward. You just use the hands-free mode when you first connect it to your Bluetooth device. In my case it's the camera, and then you select the dB and make sure that the sound bar doesn't go into the red. So obviously that will not be very clear. Okay, so how does it sound at low speeds? 70 kilometers an hour. It's quite windy today. So I would expect it to be a bit noisy. But let's see how the sound sounds. Alright, I'll stop it here and I'll speak to you in a second. It's quite windy. The maximum speed I can do here is 109. There's a radar in front. It's gonna flash at 110 kilometers an hour. So I won't do that. How do I sound at highway speeds? 110 kilometers, I suppose it's about 65 miles an hour for our North American friends. When I say that, I mean the Americans. The Canadians, as we know, they use kilometers an hour, just like us. So, looking at the soundbar, it's not really going into the red, it goes into the yellow and orange ones. So I hope it's clear. I do have the dead cat on the mic, and where I placed it right in front of my chin, under my lips, with the visor down, because it's quite noisy. So hopefully it sounds okay. Alright, so I decided to go back just because it's so sandy outside. Got to the desert road here just outside the neighborhood, and there's so much sand going across the highway. So this is with 17 dB. Let's see if I make it 0. Yeah, that's too loud. Make it maybe 20, 25 or 20. Let's make it 20. Maybe 20 might be a good idea. Yeah, 20. So let's see what 20 gives us. Alright, let's go. So yeah, want to thank What's up Bob again for the Instamic video. I'm sure he'll be watching this. Go check his channel out if you want a solution for any camera basically that you own. I'm sure it works with a GoPro as well if you don't want wires hanging from your helmet, which is what I didn't want. I love my Instamic Insta360 1R camera. I can just post edit, choose whatever angle I want. So let's go. Hopefully with minus 20 dB the quality of the sound is okay. It's not much difference from before. It's just I think it might be better with all the wind noise and the road noise and stuff. So I'm doing 109 kilometers an hour now. I'm sure it's very similar to before, because the dB is not that much. Isn't the scenery just stunning here? I'm literally 10 minutes away from my house, and already I can see beautiful sand dunes in the distance, and really are quite lucky. I was planning a trip to go to Oman next week, but there's forecast for rain here tomorrow and 3 or 4 days from now as well. That's why it's so windy now. And the same in Oman. They're forecasting basically 3 weeks of rain in Oman. And unfortunately Oman has... What is this guy doing? Look at him. He missed his exit. And now he's just going back.